Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker. I'm here once again at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom, and you know what? It is Black Friday week. So I want to go over some of the best deals on the floor for you. I got 2 I just want to tell you about. And remember, this ends after Black Friday, so you want to get in as quickly as you possibly can. This is a call to action for you. So if you're looking for a range, I want to tell you about this one. This is the FFEH 3054 US. So this is Frigidaire's slide-in range. It's a nice smooth top electric range. Look inside there, it's nice and big, and it's got storage down below. It's good for any starter kitchen that wants to do a slide-in range. So what is so cool about this? Well, it's normally, when it goes on sale for $8.99. For Black Friday week, it's on sale for $7.99. No one knows this yet, but guess what? $5.99. You can get this right now for $5.99. Tell the store that I told you to. So, okay, let me show you one other. Let's go look at this Samsung refrigerator. So this one right here, this is a Samsung. It is a French door. It's got no dispenser on the front. A lot of people are liking that. That's kind of trending. That keeps you from having to wipe the front. A lot of people want the smooth French door. It is typically running at $14.99 when it goes on sale. So right now, for a boxed unit, it is $12.99. Week of Black Friday. That is a terrific price. We actually have these in stock right now. So if you want to look at it, this has got cantilevered shelves. So that means it's not all on the same level going up and down. That gives you a lot more adaptability with the food that you have in your refrigerator. So here we got the humidity control crispers, and again, the way that works is if it is something that gets showered in the grocery store, you put this on high. If it's not showered in the grocery store, like the stuff in the middle of the grocery store for fruits and vegetables, then it would go on low. That keeps your food alive longer. And of course, you've got their nice big deli drawer, so you can put lots of things inside of there. And then right here is their water filter. So if I were to twist this, I can pull it out, and there's your water filter. That keeps your water nice and safe and clean. You've got adjustable shelves on the inside, on the doors. These are all gallon door storage, so that's nice. This has got everything you like to see in a refrigerator. It's also got a nice big freezer. So this freezer is the best kind, the most favorite kind, where it actually keeps things nice and organized. So it's not all clustered and piled in. It's all separated in here. And right here is where the ice goes. So this does have an ice maker, it's just on the inside. So this will always fill itself whenever it starts to run low, just like a traditional ice maker does. Why am I bringing this up? Well, $12.99 is a ridiculous price, but you know what? At Appliance Factory, we do something very special. Sometimes we get deals in from the vendor where there's no box. There might be a slight blemish on it somewhere, but it's all brand new. All's got the full warranty on it. $11.99 is the lowest price in the entire market. Again, this lasts for the week of Black Friday. Don't wait, come in now.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.